All right, state, you want to be heard on the no contact order?
Yes, Your Honor. I wasn't sure if Your Honor would accept me putting in the harmful injurious contact as an option. Before I will say we had the co-defendants about a month ago, if you recall, Jacob
Yes.
Kelly. And I reviewed the CPS record associated with all three of them, including this defendant, and this defendant seemed to be the most, and as a CPS, less culpable for the situation. He passed hair follicle very soon, so what they believe about family plan was cleared sooner than Jacob and Kelly were the other two co-defendants. So state have not had any objection. This particular defendant had no harmful injurious contact with this.
All right, so were you living with these other people? So how many rooms did this home have?
3 rooms,
All right, and how many bedrooms?
2 at the time that I know of.
So it
that
was-
were being used as bedrooms.
2 were being used as bedrooms?
Yeah, the other room I did not.
All right, so where were the adults sleeping? Did the adults have a designated bedroom?
They did, but I know a bed frame like broke in the room, as they told me, so they're like we're sleeping in like the living room area.
So I'm just wondering, why would you all be growing marijuana in a child's bedroom?
I'm sorry?
Why would there be marijuana grown in a child's bedroom as opposed to an adult bedroom?
From what I was being told, one adult bedroom, it was being grown, and in the other room, I'm not sure what was being done in that room.
No, I mean, it was being grown next to a crib unless the adults are sleeping in cribs.
I understand.
So did you and nobody say, hey, you know what? We're going to go ahead and grow this marijuana, but it's a bridge too far for me to grow marijuana in the baby's bedroom. Did anybody say that?
No one's talking to me about the marijuana itself being grown.
Just to be clear, Your Honor, the baby was the child of the other 2 people.
Yeah.
His was 9 years old, sleeping in his room with him. So she was not sleeping where the crib is at.
Okay. All right. I understand that, but still, somebody is growing. Wouldn't you think? I'm trying to figure out what your mindset is.
Right.
Wouldn't the fog clear and you say, you know what? There's just something wrong about people growing marijuana in a bedroom where a baby sleeps. At any point, did somebody say, we have young children here, they shouldn't be around marijuana? And I knew it probably stank